Welcome to my office/workshop. So as you have seen from my shorts, I've printed some pretty much useless stuff, but it's part of the learning process. Since I'm fairly new to printing and I'm learning to know the printers that I'm using. So for one, I have the Creality Ender 3 V3 SE, that's a long name, and the Prusa Mark 3S. So as for future projects, I have a few planned. One of them is really big and will take a lot of time. And actually I have one project that's been on hold for no reason at all, just forgot about it and that's about it. I will do some reviews, I guess, on slicers from my point of view, which is as a software tester, and we'll see how that pans out. As far as the production quality goes, I'm not very skilled with the filming process yet, and neither am I with video editing, so bear with me. And sorry for the printing noises in the background. It's a small room, so there will be noise.